There are a lot of things that I have learned in the micro perspective subject or course, which is discussed by Sir Miko. The things that I have learned in micro perspective are the early ancient period, or the evolution of tourism industry from early ancient to modern age, the importance or difference of stakeholders and shareholders, and how stakeholders should be involved in business decisions, the evolution of transportation, as well as the components or the factors that compose or bumubuo sa tourism industry. And that's it. For the things that I have learned in the seminar, the speaker, Miss Marinelle Sutnet, she discussed about the challenges that tourism industry are facing. She also discussed about the importance of learning about the challenges and how to solve, or how to intake, or how to face that problem in the industry, and also the importance of tourism industry in a country, how the tourism industry are able to boost the economy of a country, and also the how we students as a future professionals should learn and choose what path we may choose in the near future that will be able to contribute to the economy or to the society in the tourism industry. And for the things that I have learned from Sir Miko, actually there are a lot of things. One is that to attend class with background knowledge from the handout, because I actually don't read the handout beforehand when I'm attending a class from all the subjects. Yeah, I don't read handouts, but from Sir Miko, I decided to read the handouts, especially when there is a quiz or graded recitation, so that I may be able to answer the question if I am asked to answer. And also, I learned to be patient from this subject, to analyze and understand more, and listen very careful, and try to analyze what the teacher is speaking. And that's it. Thank you for watching.